welcome to my channel. So I know my hair is not like parted like Jessica Rabbit right now, but that's because we're going to talk about this amazing wig. I feel like this look would not have been complete without the beautiful, luscious red Jessica Rabbit hair. Now, as you can see from the title, this is a modern day Jessica Rabbit. You know, like what we do in the modern days, like highlight, lots of lashes and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going for with the hair as well. So that's a modern twist to the classic Jessica Rabbit look, but you still get the concept, if you know what I mean. So basically, I wanted to modernize it because there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube with Jessica Rabbit, and I've always wanted to do this look, and I just kind of wanted to make it my own. So yeah, but this beautiful wig right here is from a company called Irresistible Me. Now, you have maybe noticed, if you are an OG Nicole Jackson supporter, I have hair in my face, so excuse me. And I need to take that glove off because I'm going to be reading off of my phone, and I need to, yeah. If you're an OG Nicole Jackson supporter, then you would know that I have worked with Irresistible Me in the past with their hair tools, extensions, and this is the first time I'm trying out a wig from them, so I'm super excited. I chose this beautiful, long, red, wavy, synthetic lace front wig. The wig itself looks pretty much like real hair, so I was super impressed when I took it out of the box. So it did come in a box like this. I've already nestled around with it, but also, the wig came in this really nice bag right here, which I always appreciate. I'm going to go over a few details of the wig and show you guys how it looks and everything before we get started on the makeup tutorial. This is a hybrid, kind of mixed makeup tutorial and wig review. So if you don't like the wig review portion, feel free to skip to this section of the video and you can forget about it. But if you are interested in the wig review, then just keep on watching. So Irresistible Me, this wig right here is hand knotted. So these wigs are made with next gen faux fiber. I've never heard of that before, so that's really interesting. All their wigs come pre-styled already. As you can see, this wig is nice and curly for Jessica Rabbit. They are heat friendly, so if you are not interested in the curls that it comes with, you can always straighten it. They can go up to 300 degrees, 150 Celsius. Each unit comes with a wig cap. Mine did come with a nude wig cap and a U-shaped front with one size fits most heads. The wig size is adjustable at the back with 2 elastics, and it has 3 combs. Now, I do have a 20% gift coupon called Get 20 Off, and that'll give you 20% off your purchase. Now, this wig is very long. Jessica Rabbit's hair is a little bit shorter than this, but I didn't want to tamper with the wig at all before doing the review. There is no synthetic shine. It literally looks really nice and natural. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry if the quality of this gets a little bad. It's because I had to switch over to a different camera because my other card got full. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to zoom into the hairline so you guys could see it. So this is the hairline right here. Add some concealer right here and it'll look really nice and natural. It fits nice and tight on my head and it just looks like this. So I can pull it more down with some lace front glue. This is gonna look amazing, and you guys know me already, I never do that, but still. And this is the top of the wig right here. He said you can just put some concealer right here to make it more natural. You cannot see through this wig because I am wearing a different color wig cap and you can't tell. But anyways, that is the wig from Irresistible Me. It will be linked down below. I love it. It is the perfect Jessica Rabbit wig. Also, it'll be nice for aerial. I will do an aerial tutorial so you guys can see how I styled this wig, but I love it. I'll show you guys the back right here in a bit. This is how long it is. It's a beautiful long wig. Hi guys, so first things first, foundation. I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation because this gives me a very smooth and dewy canvas. It also makes me look perfect, and I'm trying to make myself look flawless like Jessica Rabbit. I love her look. It's very sexy and sultry, and who wouldn't want to be her for Halloween? I don't know. I was so excited. I actually am going to wear this to a costume party, so I was testing the waters with this look, but I know exactly how I want to wear it. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm just spreading this foundation all over my face. Then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this right here really covers any darkness under the eyes. I'm also going to put it in my nose to make it more slender, and also on my chin to bring brightness to my chin. Then I'm going to blend it all out with a damp beauty sponge, and I will set everything in place with the Fit Me powder from Maybelline. Now this is a pretty good powder if you are on a budget. So yeah, I was just setting everything in place. So I know that the first half of the video was a hybrid, kind of like a wig tutorial, but I hope that you guys came this far for the makeup look. It's very fun, similar to a lot of other Jessica Rabbit's looks. It's definitely not like out there creative, but it is a little modern and more wearable if you didn't want to do the eyebrow cover thing, which I'm not. I'm just making my eyebrows very arched and sexy, and this is what I'm saying is the modern twist to it. I'm obviously not covering my eyebrows. I stink at that. I'm no good at it. And there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube where girls cover their eyebrows, and those girls are actually good at it. So I'm just showing you an eyeshadow look, and especially if you're not confident enough to rock the eyebrow cover thing. I know I'm not. Like, I want it to feel like pretty and kind of like the human version. And yeah, maybe she would have those like really arched, drawn in eyebrows, but I was gonna do these arched full brows. So now the first thing I'm gonna do is take a white eyeshadow and highlight that brow bone area. As you can see, my brows are red and nice and arched. I just used a red eyeshadow for the brows, nothing fancy. Now for the purples, I am going to be using Amethyst Glam from the Lancome Color Design palette. I'm not even sure if they sell these still, but I think they do. Okay guys, also what you're going to notice is I'm going to create a dome shaped on the inner and outer corner, but I am suffering from really bad allergies, and with my allergies comes a little bit of hives, and unfortunately I had a dry patch on my eyelid. And as you see, you can see that the eyeshadow is having a really hard time blending in that area. I don't cover it completely, but trust me, like the whole makeup look together is going to be so beautiful that you're not even going to pay attention too deeply to that patch on my eye. There's nothing I could do about it. It was either this or no tutorial at all. And honestly, it looks really great on the other eye, and it's something that I can't control, and I couldn't get rid of that dry patch, and I really wanted to do this tutorial for you guys. But just pretend like that patch wasn't there. People go through this all the time. People with eczema or any types of allergy or skin reactions, it happens, you know, like you have to prepare for something like that. Like it could be Halloween and I could have this problem. So just try to ignore that part. Like, it's unfortunate that it had to happen to me, but I've had this happen to me many times where they just don't go away in a week. So it was either this or no video. So then I'm just going to add a little bit of white right here in the middle of the eyes, and I'm going to do this really cool kind of glossy look with it, but just pop that in the inner corners, and we're just going to take the purple and blend it in the inner corners and outer corners. But I just really want that shiny white pop right there. So yeah, I'm just doing this circular dome-shaped purple look that's very classic Jessica Rabbit. Purple eyeshadow all the way. So I'm just putting the white eyeshadow underneath my brow bone area and popping it in the inner corner again. And right here I'm going to do the winged eyeliner. The winged eyeliner does save my dry patch a little bit. It looks terrible right now, but trust me, like when I fix everything, like it doesn't look as bad. Like I tried to fix it as much as I could off camera, but it just would not budge. It was itchy. It really hurt throughout the video, but I'm taking care of it. So I'm just doing a really dramatic, sultry wing, a very elongated wing, because that makes your eyes look very sexy and mysterious. Elongated eyes are just amazing. I love the way that it looks. So yeah. Now I'm just wiping away that fallout. I love doing that. But now the other eye is complete. And as you can see, it's not as noticeable, but yeah. I'm just popping some of that white eyeshadow in the inner corners. And we're going to leave the lower lash line completely blank. And I'm just taking some lip gloss. I know this is crazy, but this is what gives the glossy eyelid look.
and I'm going to place that in that empty part. You can totally skip this part, it's really not necessary. Now I'm curling my lashes, and I'm just using a sample mascara that I got from my No Make No Life box, and just adding some magnetic lashes from Wake Up and Makeup. I love that online store, it's really great. So I love magnetic lashes because you don't have to use glue, but these weren't really the best for my patch that I had. It was kind of irritating it, but yeah. So now I'm going to go in with a punch type of blush. Now you guys are going to be like, well, you look like a clown, it's not, doesn't look good, but if you look at the cartoon and if you look at like artistic renditions of it, people really emphasize that blush area. She is a performer, so even if it does kind of look like I got punched in the face, at least you'll be able to see my blush from a mile away while I'm on stage, right? So that is the whole concept and idea of this crazy blush look that I went for, and I loved it. And plus it really showed up well in pictures. Now I'm highlighting my nose, and this is just going to give me those cartoon features. If you saw my cosplay account, I uploaded a picture and the makeup just looked amazing. There was little to no retouching in the photos. I was so happy. Like literally all I did was crop and add a filter, and I was so proud of the makeup. It just came out really great. Now I'm taking Cherry by MAC and overlining my lips to giving myself a very cartoon lip shape, and I'm using Cabernet by Jordana. It's a lip liner, and it's just going to emphasize and make my lips a little bit bigger. And with Russian Red by MAC, you don't have to use any of these products, but I'm just using this lipstick because it's my favorite red lipstick. And I'm using this buxom lip gloss called Betty, I think that's what it's called, and it is a maroonish lip gloss. It makes your lips extra big because it has a plumping effect, and that's what I wanted because she has really big lips. I also put a dash of white eyeshadow for that cartoony pop of a lipstick. So that is the makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this modern twist on Jessica Rabbit. Hope it's something different. If you want to be Jessica Rabbit, please tag me in your photos. I love seeing those. But yeah, all right, you guys, that was the makeup look.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my Jessica Rabbit makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this modern twist I did on it, and as always, make sure you check out Irresistible Me down below. This beautiful wig will be linked down there. It works perfect for this look, and also it'll look great with Poison Ivy, Ariel, all of that. It's just amazing. You'll need this in your collection. I'm going to use this all the time. I can even use it for an Anastasia, another Anastasia look, because it's all curled and I don't have to curl the other one. But yeah, all the links will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.